friends, it's Miss Buchanan. Today I'm going to be showing you red words that we have learned so far. I'm going to show them on the screen for 5 seconds. I want you to see if you can read these red words in 5 seconds or less, okay? Have someone at home sitting near you so that you can read these words to them. If 5 seconds is not enough time, feel free to pause the video on each word. Are you ready? Here we go. Great job, friends. Now your job is to go back through the video one more time and read each word one more time. Great job.